我知道啦，今年係 Hot Toys 25週年，非常開心，因為我好喜歡 Hot Toys 嘅 toys 嘅，恭喜你哋！咁啊，希望你哋可以 be around for 好多個25週年。
恭喜 Hot Toys 咧，原來踏入25週年啦！咁我最想講就係我人生當中有25年咧，都係好開心，因為有 Hot Toys 製作好多你想像唔到咁精緻、技術咁超高嘅玩具。咁啊，所以好多謝老細啦，多謝 Hot Toys 啦，繼續出多啲玩具啦。
Happy 25th anniversary, Hot Toys! It's amazing to see how far you've come and how much your figures bring joy to collectors from all around the world.
Happy 25th anniversary, Hot Toys. I think you guys have taught us fans over the years that not only can you set the goalpost for what perfection in action figures and collectibles can be, but you could also somehow continually surpass that goalpost with each subsequent release.
Collecting Hot Toys has really become a part of my life. For me, it's not just about collecting, it's a way to express myself. Through these figures,
喺呢度咧就祝 Hot Toys 咧25週年咧生日快樂，業務咧蒸蒸日上，唔止衝出國際，衝出宇宙添。
Hot Toys 25週年快樂
！25年只係一個開始，嚟緊會有第二個25年、第三個25年一直落去。咁希望 Hot Toys 可以製作出更多更熱嘅產品。
我第一隻買嘅 Hot Toy 就係 Spider-Man。
When Endgame started, and I lined up to buy the Mark 85 Bio Damage.
Endgame 開始玩嘅。
The very first time I encountered a Hot Toys figure in the real world, it was on my birthday back in 2010. A very close friend of mine gifted me the MMS 71, which was the Dark Knight Batman figure.
My collecting journey actually started because of Iron Man 1. Around that time, Hot Toys had just gotten the Marvel license and released the original Mark 1, 2, 3. By chance, I came across Hot Toys online and I was so excited, I picked up the Mark III right away.
是购买的那个美剧那个越狱系列的人偶。
玩的时候是从 MK7 開始。
第一款就是那個幻妖的1.0馬克3的。
第一款是08年買的馬克3 1.0。
ホットトイズで一番気に入っているのは、6分の1スケールの ATRT のビークルモデル。
My favorite Hot Toys Star Wars figure, as of today, it will be the Grogu.
最中意嘅系列咧就係蜘蛛俠啊！
我最中意其實係 Star Wars。
My favorite Hot Toy figures definitely are the Star Wars edition. I'm a big fan of the Clone Wars ones, such as the Clone Troopers and all the other Anakins, Ahsokas, and Obi-Wans. They're my favorites.
我特別中意係蒙面超人系列啊。
The very first Doctor Strange figure from the Doctor Strange film.
My personal favorites are the original T800 from T2 and the Guardian Predator from P2.
应该是 DX01系列的小丑，因为它具有一个里程碑式的意义，开创那个可动眼，还有豪华的包装和 DX 系列的首款，然后有丰富的那个人物造型，然后又是很经典的电影系列。
I could not believe what I had in my hands and what I was looking at ended up becoming the centerpiece of my display for many, many years. I was blown away.
其實好耐之前咧 ，Hot Toys 喺銀座商場銅鑼灣咧，我已經認識阿哈活㗎啦。去旺角到而家咁多間鋪頭啦，同埋咁國際化啦，咁都真係見證咗 Hot Toys 嘅成長啊！
The first Hot Toys figure I recall seeing was the initial release of RoboCop. I'd seen a photograph of it. At the time, I just assumed that it was a movie still. And I had to kind of do a double take when I read the caption underneath. And I couldn't quite believe that I was looking at a 12-inch collectible figure. It looked like the character had just stepped directly out of the movie. And I was just blown away by the realism.
產品正，係啊啲嘢靚。
咁我中意 Hot Toys 嘅原因係因為佢做工好細緻啦，唔同個部分拆件啊，或者係改裝佢啊，嗰個細緻程度係同我好似望住一個真人嘅縮細版咁樣，咁所以 Hot Toys 真係好正。
因為我覺得佢嘅產品非常高質啊，真係好仔細啊，好還原到電影入邊啲情節啊，或者啲衣着啊。
真人頭雕咧太似啊，有啲演員咧好中意咧，其實真係好想收藏一下，咁啊不知不覺間咧就已經儲咗好多。
I agree the details is very high and like even this, initially I didn't decide to buy this, but when I saw it, I just couldn't resist.
I love whatever they put out. Definitely their high quality and screen accuracy to what you see on the TV shows and the movies. They definitely stand out, from the realistic sculpts to even the smallest details, like on the belt of the Anakin matching my details here. It's very incredible. I love the details. Even the smallest ones make it just stand out the most.
ホットトイズは本当に他にもいっぱいいいフィギュアはあるんですけど、やっぱホットトイズはやっぱ群を抜いてクオリティがもう素晴らしいなと思ってます。
いやもう本当どれもリアルで、もう見てるだけでテンション上がって全部揃えたいっていう気持ちになっちゃいます。
I am extremely proud of our 25th anniversary. You know, we started from almost nothing, so it kind of feels like a Cinderella story. We're gonna have to stay on top for another good 25 years. Hot Toys is here to stay.